Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville but Oracle Touch Espresso machine. Now for this machine it was brought back to us because it was tripping the breaker instantly. So we went back in there, make sure that the O-rings that we replaced were not leaking, that all the connections were not touching anything, and we just give it a good check all around it. And now as you can see the machine is working. It's not tripping the breaker and it's ready to brew. So starting with one shot of espresso. We're gonna be testing out this machine. I already calibrated the grinder. Oh, but yes, for that you have to select, in this model you have to select whatever you want to do. We're grinding at setting number 12.
What kind of issue are you getting?
There you go. Now the machine is ready to brew. Now we can do a shot of espresso. Nice steady stream coming out of the spouts. Good color as well. Excellent quantity and good crema on top of that shot of espresso. Hot water, as you can see, it's a nice steady stream coming out of the one. And steam, as you can see, also having nice pressure coming out of the steamer one. Great steam. So there you have it, Breville Touch working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for the Premium Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.